Hey viewers, today I am telling you how to downgrade your Windows 11 to 10. Here we go. Now we will go to the Start menu here, then click on Settings. Here search for Go. Then here click on Go Back to Windows 10. Here you see Go Back. Click on Go Back. Getting things ready, it may takes few seconds. After this it will ask you why you want to go back to Windows 10. I'm selecting Windows 10, see me more reliable. Here it will ask you check for updates, click on No Thanks. Here you see what you need to know. You need to reinstall some apps and programs. Any changes you did in Windows 11 may not applicable in Windows 10. Your files will backed up, but be careful, sometimes it glitches and some files to be missed. Click on Next. If you used a password on Windows 10, you may remain without password, you won't able to sign in. Click on Next. Click on Go Back to Windows 10. Here you go back to your previous window. Here you see my PC is restarting. Within 5 minutes you'll get Windows 10 back. Here you see PC restoring previous version of Windows. See, I'll get my Windows 10 back with all my data. You'll get back to Windows 10 within 10 days. After 10 days your data loss chances will be increased. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.